Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, the Web Universe, and our today's topic is how to deploy a website in 5 minutes. Okay, so let's start. So there is a website called netlify.com on which we can deploy our website easily without costing anything. So you need to just sign up first. So for sign up, I had already signed up, so this is why it's taking so long. Okay, no, not it's not automate. So here's the options. Here are the options like you can log in with GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and email. So right now I'm clicking on the email because I want to sign up by the email. So here's my email ID and here is my password. This is showing because I'm already done it, so this is why it is showing that. So when I click on sign up, it will show that this account is already okay. It opened my account. So this is my website which I deployed earlier. So for that we will deploy a new website. So when you sign up for the first time, the netlify.com will open this page. So and here you can see many options like sites, builds, domain, member, audit log, billing, team settings. So the site section will display all your websites which is live and you deployed already. So and builds are for build section is for the git git thing because builds is used for Angular and other apps, so we will discuss later. And the domain section shows your domain which is purchased by you or added by you. And members show your team member, like here I am the only one, so it is not showing anyone else. And these are our other things, so we will discuss later, because if we will do that now, the video will be longer than that. So we will discuss how we can deploy that. So I already made a folder of my website like that, like it's so I'm putting it directly. Okay, it's copying. I'm moving it to desktop. So that's it. So here is my folder. So you can see that what we have in it. Okay, let me refresh. It's taking too long. Okay, so in this we have a CSS, fonts, images, JS, LAS and SAS, and a index.html file. So when we deploy it, the home page will be index.html. So we drag and drop just like it, and it will upload. And when you upload it, it will look like this. So this is our temporary domain name. So our full name is look like this, and the postfix is a netlify.app because we are using netlify app. This is why. So the step is showing now. Your site is deployed, but set up a domain name. So you can choose your name. So when you click on domain setting, there is option called edit site name. So you can choose your name like I will choose the Web Universe 1 because I already deployed one with the Web Universe. So here I choose the Web Universe 1. Okay, so I save that, and now you can see that my website name is the Web Universe 1.netlify.app. And the other option is add a custom domain. So when you click on that, so here you can see that the web, when you type your domain name, it will search for that and verify that it is addable or something else. So the webuniverse.in already has an owner. Is it you? If it is owned by you, then click on yes, add domain, and it will add into your domain names. So here the domain name is the webuniverse1.netlify.app. So when you click on it, it will open your site. Okay, so it opened my site. My site does look like this. It's a template for a website. Okay guys, and also I write a blog on that so you can deploy your websites step by step. You can follow my blog also, the Web Universe, and the link is in the description. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.